let me tell you, I didn't make video about pay-per-call for almost 2 weeks, and I say let me make this video for you guys. So this week I was very busy with some of my students with the coaching, because there are a lot of people prefer to take my coaching instead of taking the training itself. So I don't make that much money this week because I was very busy and my ads went out of budget, so I didn't have enough money on Google Ads because I didn't have time to see that the budget for some of my ads went out. So I got only this amount you see right here, $375. Let me just refresh for you guys as always. But today what we're gonna do, I just see this offer and I say let me just make a video about this offer for my people. It is the flight booking bundle, all airlines. You know what I like it? It's because it say all airline. So people can call about all airline, from Delta, JetBlue, American Airlines, Air Canada, Air France, and all these type of airline that you know. But there are some restrictions. So if you go below, you're gonna see they need only 60 seconds, which is very interesting. So if someone just make 1 minute over the phone, we got the deal. We make the money. And the call hours is Monday through Sunday. So it's like 7 days in a week, but they start from 6:30 a.m. till 12:30 a.m. So it's like after 12:30, so you have almost 18 hours to one ad. The recommended call hours, Monday, Sunday, 8 a.m. To 8 p.m. So it's they are different frame, but you can run ad from this frame, but they specify you're supposed to start from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So guys, these are an opportunity for people like you who want to make money. Let me show you a simple landing page that give you this ID. So I just find this landing page on Google because I just typed the flight booking services, the flight booking bundle. So you can see a simple landing page. If you want someone to create a landing page like this for you, you better take my coaching and I will show you step by step how to create a landing page like this. Like you can see here, people will see flight, okay, cars and hotel. So when they click on flight, they're gonna see this where they can choose one way, round trip. They can say from where, and it's gonna redirect them to the page, to the landing page of the offer. Or one thing you can do, you can create just a simple landing page with a phone attached to it. That's gonna help you to collect phone calls. So let's just go to Google to see why I say it is an opportunity. A lot of my students who used to take my coaching, they know when the competition is very low for a keyword, it's an opportunity. So let me show you why I say this flight bundle, the flight booking bundle is an opportunity. Let's type it on Google search right now to see how many is the search volume and how easy it is. Flight booking bundle. So that's the keyword, flight booking bundle. Let me just type it, and guys, you will see it's a huge opportunity for people like you and me. And when we see an offer like this that's gonna pay you $15 just to bring people, $15 they're gonna pay you just to bring people to them, people that will be interested about what they have to offer. So I will always suggest you guys to have your own website, because if you will have to create landing page for all these offers that you find, it's gonna take you a lot of things and you will spend a lot of money. I know there are some of you that pay some website builder landing page that you pay over $100 per month. It's a lot. The best thing is to go to HostGator, which is you go to Vanel Sylvester /HostGator. So why I give you my referral link, it's because you're gonna find it cheap, with a cheap price, instead of going directly to the website of HostGator. But if you don't mind, you can go do it on HostGator. But if you want to give me the credit and do it through my link, go to vanelsilvest.com/HostGator. So here you will have a website ready for less than $5. You can see your website will start from $2.75 per month. So that's a great thing. And if you just click on get started, because to create landing page like this, you will need the website, period. You will need a website. And I'm going to show you at the end of this video one of the landing pages that I create for a clickbank offer. So anyone can do the same thing. So I will choose this offer, the one in the middle. And let me tell you the reason. If you take the offer for the $2.75, it's still great, but they're going to give you only one website access and only 10 gigabit disk space. That means if you go over this amount, because you may upload a lot of content, a lot of pictures, image, and using a lot of landing page, so this will not be enough. I will suggest you to take this plan, which is 40 gigabyte disk space. That's gonna help you, and you can connect up to 5 websites to it. So you will just go to buy now, and you will choose your website. You will choose your name. Me, I always suggest to all my students, always start with your name. So if I start, let's say randomly, James Peter. Let's say someone like the James Peterson. So you will see there is someone that already have a website on this. So they were gonna give you the domain for free. If James Peterson is available, they're gonna give it to you for free. You can see James Peterson is not available. They say here unavailable. So you have to find something that in your name for free, and we'd start with the .com. Okay, I don't really like the one that start with club site at the end, but I prefer the .com. But it is one of the most powerful website domain. So when you have your website, you can create landing page like this one you see right here. You see just one page, but I just guess this guy making a lot of money whenever someone type this on the search. So let me show you what happened. When someone type the flight booking on search, this guy has more than, let's say we just type flight booking on search. You see there are over, you can see guys, there are over 1,000 million people that search for this, but the competition is still huge. But you can find other variation in this, so you can have a better keyword that's gonna help you to rank higher. So I will suggest you to start with something less than 30 on the, you see those are 37, 62. These are very high competition. So start with something that has less competition. So that's gonna help you to rank higher on search on Google. So let me give you, as I said, example on how you can use this. But if you don't go anywhere, at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how people are making money using Facebook with the flight booking bundle. So here, let's just type this on my website, vanelsilvest/yogaburn. YogaBurn is a product that and clickback that will pay you over $150, $152 when you refer people to them. So I just create this landing page. I try to copy the Will website. I try to copy the Will website. You can see below will be a video. It's like a VSL, which is a video seller letter that allow me to showcase the offer, and people gonna watch the video. When they watch the video, after they're gonna click on the button that say order now. So you can see there is a video. That's a simple landing page. Sorry guys, because there are a lot of ads on this page, because I get monetized with ads as well. So that is the landing page, and I just copy everything from the website of the offer. So if you want to know how to do this, you can book a coaching with me, a coaching 101. I will take your hand and show you how to create your first campaign for pay-per-call and help you have your first campaign live and start generating phone calls. So this is what I do for a lot of people. This is why I was so busy and I didn't make quite enough money this week, because I have people that book me all week for the coaching. So guys, one of the last thing I have to show you that gonna surprise you. They even give you some example of promo tools that you can use to promote their offer. Let me show you some promo tools with some awesome landing page ID. Sorry guys, there is a rain on the background. If you hear some noise, it's because it's raining outside and it's very loud, the rain. So that's the reason why. So now guys, if you just follow along with me and you just say, okay, I want to promote this and I want to find some calls for this, but I don't have money to run ads right now. What I can do? So let me show you. You're gonna go to Google. If you get approved for flight booking, you're gonna type flight booking like this. I already said sorry for the noise in the background. It's raining right now where I am, so I just want to show you the power of doing this. So let's say you just type flight booking. Okay, so you just say flight booking and you will see all these are people posting flight booking service. Let's say this one say book a flight. Okay, so this guy is very clever, very intelligent. He just created this page, book a flight. When you try to call him, what's gonna happen? He will just tell you that this offer you see right here, I will give you a phone number to call to get the discount. This is what he's gonna tell you. He's not gonna send you a website. He's just gonna give you the phone number associated with him. So that's the whole ID, guys. So because it's raining, my signal is very bad. I hope you see the ID and see you to the next video.